Hey guys, what's up? I'm Vani and welcome to Nature Pure Fit. Alright guys, it's time to work on that endurance with a today's fit cardio workout. We are going to be joining 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds of rest. During the 40 seconds of work, I want you to choose levels of intensity that you can maintain plan for the entire work period while still maintaining proper form. Once we get through our hips circuit, we are going to wrap things up when a quick arm circuit to really strengthen the core. To get through today's guys and not equipment needed for today's workout. However, you may want to use a towel or a mat or other soft surface. Okay, so clear some space and now we are getting started, right? Warm up 30 seconds, 3 poses, jumping jacks 30 seconds, frog jump exercise 30 seconds, twist workout 30 seconds, high knees exercise 30 seconds, rest 1 minute, jumping jacks 30 seconds, high knees exercise 30 seconds, rest 1 minute, bicycling crunch 15 seconds, relax yoga 30 seconds. Okay guys, you are exhibited your first sweat cheese is completed. Comment below, let me know that you're finishing and make sure to rest up, hydrate and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys at the next workout.